The BYD Shark 6 isn't just an EV truck. It's a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Here's why. Its dual-mode off-road system gives it 500 km range and instant torque. Climbing 45-degree slopes like a mountain goat. Need electricity. Its V2L output powers tools for 24 hours. Perfect for camping or work sites. Hold ESP off for 5 seconds to unlock aggressive regen braking. A game changer for muddy trails. It gets over-the-air updates, unlocking new features without dealership visits. Take that, gas trucks. Follow for real-world tests. This truck's full potential is still untapped.